Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Up Podcast, the place where you improve your English while learning powerful life skills. I'm your host, Leo.
And I'm Mia. Thanks for joining us today.
Today's topic is something every single person struggles with at some point: how to manage your time.
Oh yes, whether you're a student, an employee, a business owner, or someone learning a new language, it often feels like there just aren't enough hours in the day.
Exactly. Some people seem to accomplish so much. They exercise, they read books, they learn new skills, they spend time with family, and somehow, they still get enough sleep.
Meanwhile, other people look at the clock and wonder, where did my day go?
Today we're going to explore why time management matters, common mistakes people make, and practical strategies you can start using immediately. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Mia, let me ask you a question. What is the most valuable thing in the world?
Money?
Good guess. Many people would say money. But here's the thing. If you lose money, you can earn it back. If you lose your phone, you can buy another one. If you lose a job, you can find another. But if you lose time, it's gone forever.
Wow, that's true. Nobody can buy back yesterday.
Exactly. That's why time management isn't really about managing time. It's about managing your life. Every day, you receive 24 hours. No more, no less. The richest person in the world gets 24 hours. A college student gets 24 hours. A CEO gets 24 hours. You get 24 hours.
So the difference is how people use those hours.
Precisely. Successful people don't magically have more time. They simply make different choices.
Leo, when people hear time management, they often imagine working harder. Is that what it's really about?
Not at all. That's actually one of the biggest myths. Being busy is not the same as being productive. Let me repeat that. Being busy is not the same as being productive.
That's a powerful statement.
Think about it. Have you ever spent an entire day doing things? Answering messages, checking social media, watching videos, responding to emails, and at the end of the day you feel exhausted?
Yes, but then you realize you didn't accomplish anything important.
Exactly. Activity doesn't always equal progress. You can be busy all day and still move nowhere. Here's a challenge for everyone listening. For 1 week, write down how you spend your time. Every hour, every activity, everything.
Everything? Even scrolling on social media?
Especially scrolling on social media. Most people think they know where their time goes, but when they track it, they're shocked.
What do they usually discover?
Hours spent on YouTube, hours on TikTok, hours on Instagram, hours watching random videos. Small distractions that add up to huge amounts of lost time.
5 minutes here, 10 minutes there, and suddenly 3 hours are gone.
Exactly. Time leaks are dangerous because they're almost invisible. Let's talk about one of the most powerful ideas in productivity, the 80-20 rule, also called the Pareto principle.
I've heard of that, but explain it simply.
Sure, the idea is this. 20% of your efforts often produce 80% of your results.
Interesting.
For example, maybe 20% of your study methods create 80% of your learning. Maybe 20% of your customers create 80% of your income. Maybe 20% of your daily habits create 80% of your success.
So instead of doing more things, you should focus on the most important things.
Exactly. Ask yourself, what activities create the biggest results? Then spend more time there.
Let's talk about planning. Many people don't plan their day.
And that's a huge mistake. Imagine trying to build a house without a blueprint. Would it work?
Probably not.
Yet people try to live their lives that way every day. They wake up, open social media, check messages, react to whatever happens, and then wonder why they're not making progress.
So what's a better approach?
Plan tomorrow before today ends. Every night write down the 3 most important tasks for tomorrow. Not 10, not 20, just 3.
Why only 3?
Because people often overestimate what they can do in one day. Then they feel frustrated. The rule of 3 keeps things realistic. Ask yourself, if I only accomplish 3 things tomorrow, what should they be? Those become your priorities.
That sounds simple.
Simple doesn't mean easy. The challenge is actually doing those tasks before distractions take over.
Okay, Leo, what's the weirdest productivity tip you've ever heard?
Probably eat the frog.
Please explain.
The idea comes from author Brian Tracy. Your frog is your hardest and most important task. Do it first.
Instead of avoiding it all day.
Exactly. Many people spend hours doing easy tasks. Then they postpone the difficult one. By evening, they're tired, and it never gets done. Let's talk about distractions. They're everywhere. Phones, notifications, emails, messages, videos, advertisements, news, everything is competing for your attention.
It's like the world is constantly saying, look at me, look at me.
Exactly. And attention is your most valuable resource. If you can't control your attention, you can't control your time.
What's a quick productivity trick people can use today?
The 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Replying to a simple email, putting away your clothes, washing a dish, making a quick phone call. Don't postpone tiny tasks. Handle them right away.
That prevents small tasks from becoming huge piles later.
Exactly. Another powerful strategy is time blocking.
What's that?
Instead of keeping a simple to-do list, you schedule tasks on your calendar. For example, 9 to 10 English study, 10 to 11 exercise, 11 to 12 work project.
So every hour has a purpose.
Exactly. When your calendar reflects your priorities, you're much more likely to follow through.
This is difficult for many people, saying no,
Absolutely. Every time you say yes to something, you're saying no to something else.
because time is limited.
Exactly. Successful people understand this. They protect their schedules. They don't agree to everything. They choose carefully.
Some people think productivity means working non-stop.
And that's a mistake. Rest is productive. Sleep is productive. Recovery is productive. Your brain needs time to recharge.
So taking breaks isn't laziness.
Not at all. Burnout helps nobody. Here's something fascinating. Small actions become huge results over time. 10 pages a day? That's thousands of pages a year. 30 minutes of exercise daily? Massive changes over time. 30 minutes learning English every day? Huge improvement after 1 year.
People often underestimate what they can accomplish in a year.
Exactly. Consistency beats intensity. A good routine removes decision fatigue.
Meaning?
The fewer decisions you have to make, the more energy you have for important work. Wake up at the same time, exercise at the same time, study at the same time. Create habits.
This is important. People often say, I don't feel motivated.
Here's a secret. Motivation usually comes after action, not before. Start first, then motivation appears.
That's so true. Sometimes the hardest part is simply beginning.
Exactly. Action creates momentum. Imagine meeting yourself 5 years from now. What would that person thank you for?
Interesting question.
Would your future self thank you for endless scrolling? Or for learning new skills, building healthy habits, saving money, improving your health, learning English, starting a business?
The choices we make today create tomorrow.
Exactly. Time management is really future management. Let's give listeners a simple system. 1. Plan tomorrow tonight. 2. Choose 3 priorities. 3. Do the hardest task first. 4. Remove distractions. 5. Use time blocks. 6. Take breaks. 7. Review your day.
Simple, practical, and effective.
Before we finish, 2020, remember this. You don't need more time. You need better use of the time you already have. Every day is a new opportunity, a new chance, a new beginning.
Your future is being built 1 hour at a time, one choice at a time, one habit at a time.
Protect your time, value your time, use your time wisely, because your life is made of time. And once a moment passes, you never get it back.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of Speak Up Podcast.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to become more productive.
And remember, improving your English isn't about being perfect. It's about practicing every day.
We'll see you in the next episode. Take care. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking up.
Bye, everyone.